of bacterial growth. The warm, moist condition created by the presence of the menstrual fluid on the menstrual products and in the area around the groin provides the atmosphere for the proliferation of microorganisms. That means they have access to the materials they need to grow. So one of the risks is that when bacteria begin to multiply, we have the risk of infection. And one very important infection is the toxic shock syndrome, usually caused by the Staphylococcus aureus bacteria. We'll talk about that in more details later. We also have irritation and odor. How do we get to the irritation? Because when moist materials stay around the growing area and, touching the skin for too long, then it begins to cause irritation around the skin, and then we have skin chafing. It becomes very uncomfortable for the menstruators. And then, due to the presence of the atmosphere that is pleasant for microorganisms to grow, they grow and produce the unpleasant odor, and also the menstrual fluid itself, when it stays on there for too long, becomes sticky and can begin to produce the unpleasant odor. Those are also part of the effects of leaving menstrual hygiene products on for too long. And of course, we also have increased risk of yeast or urinary tract infection when menstrual hygiene products are left on for too long as a result of the moisture that creates a perfect environment for the growth of the yeast or other microorganisms. And it's not just for pads, whatever my menstrual hygiene products will